So here it is. It is March 24th, 11:30 EST. And here's our lovely long. Became very tired when we came to reversal zone, as we knew it would. That's why we trailed very carefully. And guess why I had taken that long? Because I knew that my short trend came to the end of the minor trend. With precision it was spelled out since 9 o'clock this morning, as we knew where this level will be. So knowing where the reversal zone on your trade is very important. This is my trade on 8 range that finished when price came to this level. This is my level to the downside on my short trend. This is my guiding light if I trade as a day trader. These levels mean very big deal to me, as this is where market finds its ultimate support and ultimate resistance. And S&P had shown this morning very clearly, as we knew when we came to the markets, that S&P, just like my trade 8 range, was completely untouchable, reminding you the danger of acquiring a position anywhere near reversal zone. Those of you who are in the course, this is a reminder. Frame it. No, not to acquire trend position in reversal zone, because 90% of the time price will give you opposite trend correction or opposite trend reversal. And that's exactly what S&P had done. Therefore, reminding you, do not get tempted. Don't enter into the brick wall. Practice patience and discipline and monitor for reversals. That's exact same thing that happened on S&P 8. And that's exactly why we expected oil to pick up a reversal at this level. I am monitoring for long on oil. So happy Monday, everybody. So far, 2 trades on S&P, and oil staging phenomenal rally prior to the market open. And this is where oil had reversed from. Decision point 2. Oil was giving us endless chop at this level, and here it is, finally making up its mind, reminding you, oil is not for newbies. Oil, due to low liquidity, will have very sharp and drastic formation. So, if you had enough of indicators, if you're ready to learn the price, you'll be able to trade anything, including Apple Monthly. Apple Monthly reversed from exact same level where S&P had currently found ultimate support, and that's the reason why we took that 2-point long on S&P. Reminding you, price moves in exact same way on any instrument and any time frame. So once you learn how to trade price, you can trade Apple Schmapple, you can trade oil, you can trade Forex, or you can trade S&P 1 hour or S&P range chart. Know where reversal zone is, know where to take profits off the table. I left it on as I expected price to continue trying to blast through, and it hasn't been able to do so. So if you know where this level is, you know where to take the profits off the table, and you know what not to enter into. And more time you spend with price, more you understand what price does. And it becomes so much easier to trade each and every day, which is not the case if you're using with indicators. With price, your knowledge keeps growing, your knowledge keeps expanding, and it becomes like riding a bike. And if you play by the rules, you never ever 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 enter into reversal zone. Very, very fascinating and very slow day on oil, reminding you how important these levels are. So here it is. This is all the levels drawn on oil since Thursday. This is where price collapsed from on Friday, and this is where price collapsed from today, giving you beautiful buying opportunities, pre-market. And this is when we came to the market, price was so close to this level. And currently it's sitting very pretty at this level. So that explains it. The importance of Fibonacci levels. That confirms that nothing in this world is random, not even price. And if you know where these levels are, you know what not to enter into and where to take profits off the table. So let's talk about what I expect on S&P. As S&P has drastically more exciting structure than oil. As I spelled out, because S&P reached the end of the minor trend, we had been only biased long because we know that price could continue dancing here for quite some time. That's what price does when it comes to the end of the minor trend. So this is where it comes to your knowledge of the price. If you separate those very critical rules, you know when not to get stuck in the correction, which is exactly what S&P had been doing the last hour. Worthless fluff. As we say in the course, if market gives you flappuccino, go get cappuccino. So, based on the formations, if this level is broken, price is heading further down, 1833 next, and all the way down to 1801.50. But the key for now, monitor this level and monitor what price is telling you, because buyers showing potential of picking up this steam, but I highly doubt that they're gonna be powerful enough. I think they're gonna just continue chopping in about 3 to 5 point range, and price will continue drastically further down once this level is broken. Next level here, and after this level here. If you know these levels, you know what not to enter into, and you know where to monitor for reversals. And that's exactly why S&P is so tired, and that's exactly why oil is dancing here currently. So, be very, very careful, as oil is pretty confused. And remember to respect what price is telling you. Next class starts this afternoon at 12:30 EST in about 10 minutes. Look forward to seeing you there.